What's going on, y'all? Shagasi Paris. Today I'm here present some 3D PUFF Plastisol Transfers. It's a tongue twister right there that I got from John over at Topp Transfers, man. We're going to press them on some masks, see how them doing. If you haven't already, man, come join the squad on Facebook. Man, we about to hit that 1,000. Man, it's humbly, man. Appreciate everybody that rock with the squad. Shout out my guys, Mike T, man, for the Grizzly hat, Grizzly shirt. He got me all the way in there, man. Shout out Mike T's. Appreciate you, fam. Follow me on TikTok if you don't already at 12 Gone Apparel, man. You know, it's a little different than what we doing here. But come follow me over there. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Stop the video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe right now, man. Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel. I'm going to see y'all in a second.
12 Gone Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
These are the samples. PUFF Plastisol Transfer samples I got from Topp Transfers. They are some elephants. I don't know if you can see it good, but I'm going to just press them on some masks. They sent me 12 of them. I'm going to do a few. Just cut them apart. I'm excited to see what this do. So as you can see, it's just flat. So we're gonna see how much it puffs up. I'm using 2 of these pads because they suck. The mask are from Circle Hoodies. Grab some. And as you can see, Circle Hoodie. So I'm gonna press 3. We're just gonna get a little pre-press going. Flatten them out. Oh yeah. Let me set my timer. So the directions are 350 degrees for 8 to 10 seconds. I'm gonna press it at the full 10. You know, we like to go to max with it. I'm looking for my temp gun. I just had it. I don't know what I did with it. Just want to make sure that heat is right. Set my mask on top of it. So that's 345 in the middle. Cold right there. 320 or so. 350. 360. 355, 350. No, I'm off. Yeah, we're just 10. It's a little hotter. It's at 356. I'm gonna just leave it right there. So again, just some little elephants. I'm gonna just place it right in the middle. We're gonna press 3 at a time. I'm looking forward to seeing how they turn out. Because the PUFF vinyl, let me just loosen this just a hair just in case. Here we go. 350 for 8 to 10 seconds with a firm pressure. Let's see what it does. I'm excited, man, because the puff vinyl was dope. So to be able to get PUFF Plastisol Transfers, and it's a hot peel. It's not as puffy as I was expecting, but you can see there's a puff. Feels good, nice soft texture. Feels really good. I like the feel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take down some of this pressure a little bit. And we're gonna press a few more and see if I have too much pressure. That might not be enough. I'm just looking to see where the tag is so all of them go the same direction. Just that pre-press again. I think I could use a little bit more. Bam. So again, I'm gonna cut these other three. So 8 to 10 seconds. And it's a hot peel. I don't know if you can see the depth. It puffs off a little bit, but it feels really good. Stretchy. That one I did off a little bit, but it's all good.
Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.